Feeling nervous in front of the camera? Feeling nervous in front of the camera? Feeling so awkward? Feeling so nervous in front of the camera? Everybody feels that. It's so normal. Hey, I'm Madhu Chatramani. Welcome back to my channel, Maths Easy. It's so really important to be confident in front of the camera, isn't it? If you're confident, then only you can convey your message nicely to your viewers. Otherwise, you cannot. So in this episode, I'm going to tell you how to be confident in front of the camera. So please continue watching if you're interested. If you want to know more about it, not forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel if you like the video. Let's get started. I'm going to share my experience with you and what all I have gone through in my journey when I started my channel. You have to follow some key points and you're good to go. Trust me. The very first point is practice. You have to practice a lot. Be prepared for that. Especially when you're shooting your video for the first time. So you know how you can go ahead with this. You have two choices. Either sit in front of the camera and start recording. You have to record for the sake of recording because you have to analyze your mistakes. You have to analyze like where did you go wrong, what did you do right, or this is what you want, this is what you don't want. You have to analyze all that. Second option is you can sit in front of the mirror and talk to yourself about 15 to 20 minutes, maybe about your day, maybe about some specific topic. You know, you'll be used to it gradually. Okay, let me tell you something about myself over here. When I shot my first video, I started practicing in front of the mirror. Then I thought that okay, now I can start recording. Then I started recording and I never uploaded that video. That video is still with me, but I never uploaded that. I was not really satisfied. But you know what? That really happens. And that happens with everyone. You will never be satisfied with your own self, especially when you're starting off. So don't run behind perfection. It's okay. You have to be a YouTuber. For that, you need to make a video, you need to shoot a video, then you have to upload it and you have to publish it. Then only you will be a successful YouTuber, right? That's my second point. Don't run behind perfection. My third point is topic choice. Now आपको ऐसा कोई topic select करना है जिसमें आप comfortable हो. If you are comfortable, then only you can make your viewers comfortable, right? Then only you will be able to convey your message. And if you're comfortable, then only you'll be able to talk comfortably in front of the camera. Talk about something you know, you're sure about and you're confident about. I'm talking about the topic. And if you're sure about what you want to talk, you will be definitely comfortable in front of the camera. For example, if I talk about some makeup kit. So for me, makeup is all about my lipstick, my BB cream and my liner. Nothing else, okay? I don't know anything else than all these things. So मेरे लिए मेकअप सिर्फ ये तीन चीजें हो गई. तो I cannot talk about blushes, I cannot talk about highlighter and all that. मुझे शायद मैं नहीं यूज करती हूँ, तो I am not the right person to talk about it. So I'm not supposed to talk about it. तो मुझे उस चीज के बारे में बात करनी है जो चीज में मुझे लगता है कि I am comfortable. तो आपको उसी चीज के बारे में बात करनी है जिस चीज के बारे में आप comfortable हो, जिस चीज के बारे में आपको knowledge है. So just be yourself, be original, be truthful and honest to yourself. You will automatically be confident in front of the camera, and that is my fourth point. You have to be original. Here I want to suggest you something. If you like some YouTuber, watch them, watch their videos. Note down the points you like about them, note down the points you don't want to talk about and all that. But do not copy anyone. Just be original. You know, people come here for you. People want to see you. बहुत सारे topics होते हैं जो काफी ज़्यादा similar होते हैं. You know, people like you for who you are. So yeah, take inspiration, but do not copy anyone. You have to be original. Another point which is gonna help you to be confident in front of the camera is write a script. Now let me show you. This is my rough book, okay? So I write whatever I want to talk about. So when I say write a script, you don't have to write an essay, okay? आपको पूरा essay नहीं लिखना. You just have to write some bullet points, some key points जिसके बारे में आपको बात करनी है. You just have to go with the flow. आप अपने दिल की बात कहो. That's how you can connect with your audience. That's how you can connect with your viewers, right? So that's my another point. Go with the flow. My another essential point is eye contact. आपको अपनी कैमरा के साथ eye contact बना के रखना है. For example, if you talk like this, you look somewhere and you talk, ये बहुत ज़्यादा distract करता है आपकी audience को, which you definitely don't want, right? Or if you use a lot of hand movements like this, nobody's gonna watch you. They are going to be distracted, and you know, वो आपका वीडियो बंद करके किसी और वीडियो में चले जाएंगे. So you are not supposed to do that. आपको आई कांटेक्ट बना के रखना है आपकी कैमरा के साथ. Using hands is fine. You cannot just sit like this and make a video, right? ये बहुत ही रोबोट सा लगता है, जो आपको नहीं लगना है, जो आपको नहीं अच्छा लगेगा, right? But ज़्यादा hand movements use करें वो भी काफी ज़्यादा distraction है, so you're not supposed to do that. But another key point is enthusiasm. You have to do like this, you have to do like that. You're not supposed to do this, you're not supposed to do that. Would you like this kind of video? No. You have to have a nice smile on your face when you're talking to your audience. Everybody likes happy vibes, so do not forget it. Nobody's gonna like you if you're sad, upset, or aggressive and all that. You have to have a good smile on your face. Another key point is be prepared. Now, when I say be prepared, I'm talking about so many things altogether. Firstly, you will not be perfect. Nobody is perfect in this world. I have not seen any YouTuber or I have not seen anyone so perfect on this earth, okay? So you don't have to be perfectly perfect. So forget that and be prepared that you are gonna make mistakes. We're humans, right? We tend to make mistakes, so that's okay. That's normal, right? अब ये चीज को याद रखना कि कहीं ना कहीं कुछ न कुछ ऐसे हो जाएगा जो आप एडिट भी नहीं कर पाओगे. ये हो सकता है आफ्टर रिकॉर्डिंग अ वीडियो, आफ्टर पब्लिशिंग योर वीडियो, यू गेट टू नो कि अरे यहाँ पे वॉल्यूम थोड़ा सा कम हो गया, अरे यहाँ पे म्यूजिक थोड़ा सा ज्यादा हो गया, अरे यहाँ पे ये वाला थोड़ा कम होना चाहिए था, यहाँ पे ये थोड़ा ज्यादा होना चाहिए. That is gonna happen initially for sure. That happened with me a lot. You know, after my every video I used to feel that यहाँ पे कुछ तो कमी रह गई, वहाँ पे कुछ तो कमी रह गई. But next time मैंने वो कमी को पूरा करने की ट्राई किया, 100% कोशिश की कि मैं वो कमी को पूरा कर दूं जो मैंने लास्ट टाइम की थी. But you know what, इस बार भी ऐसे कुछ न कुछ रह जाता था कि मुझे लगता था that I'm not satisfied with that. So that is okay, that is fine. Initially that really happens and everybody goes through it. Another thing that really helps you to be confident in front of the camera, you have to be consistent. When you start filming yourself, एक बार आपने शूट करना स्टार्ट कर लिया और आपने हमेशा करते रहे वही चीज, तो डेफिनेटली आप उस चीज में परफेक्ट हो जाएंगे. कंसिस्टेंसी इज एवरीथिंग. यू नो व्हाट, आई वांट टू टेल यू समथिंग अबाउट माय सेल्फ. When I was shooting my first video, ये बोलने के लिए कि लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल, मैंने कम से कम 10 to 15 takes लिए होंगे, but still I wasn't satisfied. So that is so obvious. That happens and everybody has to go through it. सबके साथ ऐसे होता है. So my another point is just start it. Once you start it, जैसे आपने स्टार्ट किया, आपने अपना फर्स्ट वीडियो शूट किया, आपने अपना फर्स्ट वीडियो अपलोड किया, पब्लिश किया, then only you will be a YouTuber. जब तक आप ये नहीं करेंगे, आप एक YouTuber नहीं बन सकते. So just do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If you like it, please give it a big fat thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and press the bell notification so that you get notified whenever I upload any new video. And write down in the comment section below what do you want to see, what do you want me to talk about. I have a lot of things to share with you guys, but if you have any query, definitely I'm gonna make a video on that. I'm gonna go now. I'll catch you soon with something really interesting next time. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.